Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the essentials: a clear audio file and a working mic. Once your recording is on the laptop, open the transcription app and import the file. Make sure input levels peak below clipping. Low noise equals higher accuracy. Choose automatic versus manual transcription mode now, because the engine choice affects speed and editing later. This lets you begin immediately without wasting time on non-essential setup, and sets the engine to process the audio efficiently. You next configure the middle step setting so the output is usable. Select the correct language and accent model and enable noise reduction because it reduces false words. If the file is long, split into 5 10-minute chunks to avoid timeouts and simplify edits. Turn on timestamps for later reference, then start the transcription. While it runs, scan for progress and listen to a few segments to catch systemic errors. This saves hours during cleanup and improves final accuracy. You finish by cleaning and exporting the text. Proofread sequentially and fix misheard words. Use search and replace for repeated misrecognitions. Once edits are done, export in the needed format: TXT for raw text, docx for formatting, or SRT for subtitles, and include timestamps if you require sync. If the transcript still has errors, retry with a different engine or improve the audio, reduce noise. Boost volume, because poor source quality is the most common culprit. That simple troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.